The upholstery here. This is, and Chris, did you notice this?
I did. It's not smooth, so it doesn't get so hot.
It's really nice.
Yes.
I mean, I don't really, I haven't felt upholstery like this before.
Brand, Spalding is the manufacturer.
Okay.
It's called Maglia, M-A-G-L-I.
Another cool feature. So again, 35-foot boat, lots of stuff here. We have grill, sink, mirror behind there, refrigerator there. This is great for entertaining in the day out on the boat.
You may not have heard of Quarkin before, but I think a lot more boaters will be learning about Quarkin. It's a relatively new brand. Very experienced boat builders have started the company, but it's a new company. It's less than 5 years old. And they're really producing an impressive, innovative product with that Finnish spirit, that Finnish seaworthiness, and what I like, function over form. So let's give you a walkthrough. We'll go from there.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Well, that's that was impressive, Chris. You've been doing some work. I want to look at the visuals of the boat, the things that I pick up on, and I absolutely appreciate what you're saying. The adventure nature, the day boat that has as we will get to, beautiful quarters as well. But some really neat things here. I mean, first of all, we just ran this boat at 60 miles an hour, which was an explosively fast feeling, without it being out of control at all. So you've got the big Yamaha 350 motors, certainly set up to do anything that you would possibly want. If we flip around back here, I just want to show kind of a cool feature. We have this opened up right now. So you can see the sides pop open on both sides there. This has multi-purposes. It could be a seating area for the lounge here. This obviously flips back that way as well to give a bigger sunbed. It could be set up as a boarding platform depending on the dock, and just opens up the feel of the boat in general.